What does it mean to uphold the law in the face of violence and fear? Let's delve into a recent event that took a shocking turn in the courtroom, a place where justice is served. In Las Vegas, a man named Deobra DeLone Redden found himself standing before Clark County District Court Judge Mary Kay Holthus. Redden, with a criminal history involving 3 felonies and 9 misdemeanors, had pleaded guilty to an attempted battery charge from last year. He was shackled, closely watched, and on the verge of being sentenced. However, this was not a typical sentencing. Redden, in an unprecedented act, leaped over the judicial bench and attacked Judge Holthus. He was quickly restrained by court staff and officers, but not before causing minor injuries to the judge and a dislocated shoulder and head injury to an officer. Redden was swiftly re-jailed on a bail of $54,000. His impulsive act of violence had repercussions. Redden is now facing 15 new felony and misdemeanor charges related to the courtroom attack. If convicted, he could face decades in prison. Now let's consider the aftermath. Redden, diagnosed with schizophrenia and bipolar disorder, was found competent to stand trial. The same judge, Judge Holthus, who endured the attack, was the one to sentence Redden. She handed down a sentence of up to 4 years in prison for the original charge of attempted battery. However, Redden could be paroled in 19 months depending on his behavior in prison and decisions made by a parole board. This event raises questions about court safety, mental health, and the resilience of those who serve justice. It's a stark reminder of the threats that law enforcement officials face. In fact, the U.S. Marshals Service investigated 1,362 threats and potential threats to judges, prosecutors, and court officials in 2022 alone. So, to summarize, Deobra DeLone Redden, after attacking a judge during his sentencing, now faces up to 4 years in prison for his original charge and potentially decades more for the new charges related to the attack. This event underscores the importance of court safety, the challenges of dealing with mental health issues in the legal system, and the bravery of those who uphold the law. As we move forward, it's essential to continue the conversation about these issues. The pursuit of justice must be steadfast, even in the face of the unpredictable and violent, and mental health considerations must be an integral part of this conversation.